Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing a little bit of an unboxing. I have gotten quite a few things in PR. The boxes are behind me, so let's go ahead and dive right in. Okay, this first box is from Violet Grey. They told me they were sending this over to me and I'm so excited. So every year their staff picks their favorites and they basically like compile this box of everyone's favorites and they offer it at such an amazing discount. So this box is 50% off of what you would pay if you were to buy all of the products separately. And when I saw what was inside this box, I was like, this is so worth it. So here is what the box will look like. And this is, you know, kind of typical Violet Grey packaging. But you've got the Violet Grey box here, you've got their black ribbon. So let me share with you the things that I have personally used and love. So the RéVive Broad Spectrum SPF 50 sunscreen. This is amazing. It's PA with 4 pluses. And I actually just finished this up and I've moved on to some other SPF, but I really miss this. So it has chemical sunscreen, and again, it's 50 SPF. So that is one thing that comes in the box. And it's just great. It has a lovely texture. It just sits really well underneath makeup. So I feel very comfortable using it on a day that I know I'm gonna be, you know, putting some makeup on and going out or whatever. It just has a lovely texture. So that is the RéVive. Next up is the Chantecaille Liquid Lumière. This is their like cream liquid highlighter, and it's in the shade Luster. So Luster is this shade right here, and it has a wonderful peachy warm kind of tone to it. So it's really great if you want to use it as a blush topper. Of course, it's great as a highlight. If you have like medium skin tone, it works really well as a highlight. So that is the next thing that's in this box. And then we also get the Keerweiss cream blush, as you guys know, because I rave about this all the time. Keerweiss's cream blush is one of my absolute favorites. So you get their refillable, very weighty palette here, and then you get the cream blush refill, which will come in the shade Blossoming. I don't think I have the shade Blossoming, so I'm really excited for this, but the formula is just magnifique. It is wonderful. And then the rest of the products I haven't actually used personally, so I can't vouch for them, but I have used MUTHA products and I really enjoy them. This is the #1 serum for the face, and I have their serum for the body, which I actually just used, and it's great. I love it. I love all of their products that I've tried. I also have their body butter. I have their body oil. It's so rich. So this looks very promising. So the serum from MUTHA. We also have the MZ Skin Soothe and Smooth. This is the Hyaluronic Brightening Eye Complex. We also have from Dr. Barbara Sturm the Glow Drops. Ooh, the Glow Drops transform and revitalize tired, dull skin and restore its radiance. Oh, nice. We have GOO GETTER Spot Clarifying Dots Hydrocolloid Patch for the late stage surface level zit, 36 patches. And this is from the company, I think ZitSticka. Yeah, ZitSticka. Also have Philip Kingsley. I know this is a hair care line, right? Deep conditioning treatment. Yes, Elasticizer adds elasticity and bounce to fine, medium, and coarse hair. That I definitely need, although I've just been wearing my hair back lately, but that sounds very promising as well. And then last but not least from U Beauty, the Sculpt Arm Compound. Oh my God, I've been so curious about this because I have really like big, thick, flabby upper arms, and you know, I know it's not gonna transform me into Linda Hamilton arms, but I will take any help I can get. So I'm really excited for this. The Sculpt Arm Compound is specially formulated to visibly tighten and tone loose skin around the arms and visually reduce the negative effects of gravity. I mean, is it just for arms? Can I put it all over my entire body? That would be helpful. All right, so that is everything in this Violet Grey box. This box is available starting today, and its value is, I think, a little bit over $800, and you can purchase it for something either like $408 or $409, basically half off. So I think it's an amazing deal. Of course, I will link it down below if you're interested. And of course, a big thank you to Violet Grey for sending over all of these goodies. I'm really excited to try so many of these things. Next up, I've got 2 boxes from Necessaire. Necessaire is one of my favorite, body care brands. They have great bath gel, which I go through quite a bit of. Great bath gel and exfoliator, cream. They have a really like awesome body serum, just really cool stuff. So, oh, it looks like they're topping me off with something. So I've got that's thunder, don't mind the thunder. Body lotion and body serum in fragrance free. And then let's see what's in this box. Clean, effective skincare for the body. Oh, they sent over a water bottle. This is very welcome. Thank you so much. This is, ooh, it's a Nalgene water bottle. Thank you so much, Necessaire. Next up, we have something from Bite Beauty. Oh, new Power Moved Soft Matte Lipstick. Available on Sephora.com and Bite Beauty on July 12th, in Sephora stores on July 22nd. I have no idea what the date is, so I can't even tell you if we're close. So they sent over 3 shades. All right, so this is what the packaging looks like. Typical Bite Beauty packaging, and this is what the bullet looks like. So we've got Chai, Hot Tomato, and this last one is Sugar Buns. This last one is Sugar Buns. What a great name. Ooh, so those are the new Bite Beauty Power Move Soft. Oh my God, this thunder is crazy. I am trying to talk. Do they have a scent? Oh, they kind of smell like vanilla. That makes me sad. I know Bite Beauty lipsticks from years ago, they had more of like a fruity smell, which I enjoy. But these have like a faint kind of like vanilla smell. Anyway, thank you so much, Bite Beauty. This is exciting. Let me see if there's any note here about how many shades are available. Oh, 20 vibrant shades, wow. Very pretty. Oh, awesome. Thank you so much, Bite Beauty. Ooh, next up we have something from Christophe Robin. Love their hair care products. Love is in the hair. Okay, so it looks like they've come out with a limited edition for their like scalp scrub. It's their sea salt scalp scrub, which is really, really lovely. I mean, it feels so good on the scalp. An ode to Bretagne. The first limited edition of the scrub is transporting us to the shores of La Bretagne. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. I'm sure I'm not. Bretagne. By Bretagne's wild coastline, the limited edition scrub ignites the senses and invites you to take an invigorating walk in the heart of the Breton paradise. Oh my gosh. So they sent the salt scrub, of course, but they also sent, are these cookies? From Dominique and Cell Bakery. One of the best bakeries. I love visiting the one on Spring Street down in Soho when I'm in New York. The originator of the cronut. Oh, and they sent over a shirt. Oh, look at how cute that is. Oh my God. I love these like French sailor shirts. Oh, these are so awesome. I had one that was like more of a cream and then the stripes were more of a navy. So I don't have one like this. I think I even have one that's white with red stripes. I don't even think those fit me anymore. Oh, thank you so much, Christophe Robin. This is awesome. And I love, love, love your scalp scrub. It feels so good. Got a box from Josie Marin, Smile, It's Summer. Well, hello, summer. Oh, foaming face wash and a bright skin vitamin C serum. The foaming face wash is a pineapple enzyme pore clearing cleanser. That sounds good enough to eat. So here is the pineapple cleanser. And then here is the vitamin C serum. And oh my gosh, did they send over, the Argan Pro Retinol Whipped Body Butter. I went through one tub, I had a backup, and now I have another backup. It's so great. The body butters from Josie Marin are some of the best, I have to say. Whipped Argan Oil Face Butter. What is this? The Argan Liquid Gold Self-Tanning Oil. I don't think I realized they had a self-tanner. Oh, that's exciting. I need to get back on the self-tanning wagon. I'm looking really sickly pale. Oh, they sent over like a little hanky. Oh, it's like ombre. Oh, so pretty. Thank you so much, Josie Marin. And they sent it all in one of those boxes that you can return. It's so great. These boxes like end up folding flat and then it comes with a mailing label and then you can just return it. So awesome. All right, next up, ooh, something from Kogan Do. This box actually has been sitting unopened for a while because this came right like right when we were packing like crazy. So I hope I'm not too late here. Hi Michelle, sending you a little skincare TLC for the warm sunny days of summer. Oh, thank you. So let's see, they sent over, ooh, one of their sheet masks. This is, oh, two of them actually. This is the Moisture Spa Rich Moist Lotion Mask. That looks really, really exciting. I may use this tonight. I feel like I need one of those, it's very warm in here. I feel like I need one of those like pamper myself evenings. After all the like moving and the constant unpacking, I'm like, I feel like I need a night off where I'm just like chilling. This is gonna come in really handy. And then the Moisture Spa Gel Rich. Oh, so this looks like a moisturizer. All-in-one Moisture Gel Rich. Oh, nice. 6-in-1 multifunction daily treatment. Thank you so much, Kogendo. This is very welcome. Next, we have something from Common Air, and they are a skincare company. And my friend Grace over at Everyday Edit, that's the name of her YouTube channel, she actually turned me on to them. So I'm excited to try this product. Oh my God. Okay, first of all, look how beautiful this packaging is. It looks like a candle. But it's a 10% vitamin C serum. And looks like their packaging is very sustainable. This box and paper tube are 100% recyclable. The serum capsules, oh, the serum capsules are 100% biodegradable. So here is the tube. Oh, so pretty. I think I need to save this. And here are the little capsules. You know, these used to intrigue me when I was younger. I feel like the first time I ever saw these was maybe like in Elizabeth Arden. Do they have a capsule? Anyway, I was always so intrigued by them and I would want my mom to get them and try them out. She was like, stop it. I'm not getting those. But oh, how neat. And as I understand it, you know, I'm no dermatologist or anything, but vitamin C breaks down very quickly. And yeah, I think it's great that they're individually packaged like this. Oh, this is so amazing. Can't wait to try these out. Oh, there's an expiration date at the bottom. Very, very handy. May 2022. So I have almost a year to use them. This is so wonderful. Thank you so much, Common Air, and a big thank you to Everyday Edit for turning me onto them. Next, we have something from Biro, and I believe they're a New York City-based K-beauty brand. Salad infused beauty. Oh, it looks like they've come out with 2 new oils. So a fig renewal oil and a pear serum oil, introducing the fruit collection. Oh, wow. Look how cute that is. Oh, look at this cute box that it all came in. One is stuck. The fig is being stubborn. Oh, okay. So here is the fig renewal oil, and here is the pear serum oil. I actually don't smell anything, which is actually great in terms of skincare, but I don't smell anything in the pear. Oh, and with the fig, I smell just the slightest hint of fig. Oh, neat. Wow, thank you so much, Biro, for sending these over. This is so cute. Thank you so much. All right, and something from Grande Cosmetics. They sent over their Grande Mascara. It's their waterproof conditioning peptide mascara. Let's see what that packaging looks like. Remember their other mascara came in this gold tube. So this one comes in like an aqua blue tube. And then they also sent over this fun makeup case, and I'm not sure what this is. Is it a headband? It looks really big for a headband if it is. It's definitely not a headband. I thought it had like Velcroed. Oh, is this one of those like makeup erasers? Yeah, I wonder if this is one of those makeup erasers. Since this is a waterproof mascara, it probably takes a little extra to remove it. Well, in any case, thank you so much, Grande Cosmetics. And that is it for this PR haul. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe down below if you have not already, and I'll see you in my next video.